Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introduce ourselves. I'm Kaniya Wardayani and my friends Farah Azmi will present to you about interpersonal relationships. Okay, let us begin. There are 6 success elements in relationships. Short, abstract. Humans are social creatures. They are tied, interact, and depend on each other so as to establish relationships between fellow humans. It can be said that these relationships can be in the form of relationships in the context of family, friendship, between communities, and even relationships in business. This kind of relationship is called an interpersonal relationship. An interpersonal relationship is one of the basic elements studied in social psychology and is the beginning of all forms of social interaction. It can be said like relationships with the environment. To initiate a social interaction, a good interpersonal relationship is needed. Interpersonal skills are very necessary, especially if we are going to do business with other parties. Then, how can we have good interpersonal relationships so that we can easily achieve success in our career and life? Here, there are 6 elements of being successful in relationships. 6 elements of being successful in a relationship. First, self-awareness. 2. Self-confidence. 3. Positive personal impact. 4. Outstanding performance. 5. Communication skills. And the last, interpersonal competence. First, self-awareness. We know that self-awareness is very important. Understanding ourselves is not only a condition for our success, but also a condition for us to work with other people effectively. It has been proven that a successful leader is a person who realizes his strengths and weaknesses. The need for self-awareness so that we can understand ourselves in dealing with others, develop and implement self-abilities, increase productivity, develop working relationships with others, and strengthen life and career choices to be accepted. 2. Self-confidence. Self-confidence is a person's belief in their abilities in doing everything. Self-confidence is basic of person's belief in their abilities in various situations. We are able to push ourselves to exert our ability to reach the aim. Self-confidence is very necessary to build relationships with other parties, because if we believe in ourselves, other people will naturally believe in us too. 3. Positive personal impact. Positive thinking is an attitude that everyone must have, because positive thinking can keep us from things that are not good, can have a good influence on our heart too. Do you know that having a positive habit of thinking is very beneficial in life? With positive thinking, your view will be more open to accept the realities of life. Positive thinking also makes life develop for the better. If you try to think positively, you will be able to work on the tasks with enthusiasm. You will feel calmer and lighter. Being a positive person is very necessary in building relationships with other people, because indirectly we also provide positive energy to them. People who think positively will have a strong desire to realize their full potential. Okay guys, for the next will be explained by Farah Azmi.
Okay, I will continue with the presentation. Number 4, outstanding performance. Everyone must have an extraordinary performance in themselves. Then, how about this extraordinary performance? It is like by doing all the work thoroughly to achieve the goal that we want in the term of doing our best version. Extraordinary performance can be done in all aspects of life. One of them is communicating with other people. If we communicate, convey ideas or performance with excellent performance, so other people will easily be interested in our conversation topic. In addition, excellent performance will be a plus for us whether we talk or do something. Next, number 5, communication skill. Communication skills are the main skill that must be possessed to be able to build healthy relationships anywhere, in social settings, school, business, and office, or anywhere. According to Johnson, 1993, interpersonal communication skills are the overall abilities of a person who is used to interact or relate effectively with others. Interpersonal communication skills determine a person's ability to interact, develop, and maintain caring and productive relationship in a process of interaction. In other words, interpersonal communication skills are a person's ability to extract from one person to another face-to-face with relation, the personal characteristic, an individual to build steady and clear relationship with others. And then interpersonal competence. Interpersonal competence itself, according to Spitzberg and Coopage in the Vito 1997, can be interpreted as the ability to carry out interpersonal relationships effectively. The Vito 1997 argues that interpersonal competence is obtained by many individuals through the learning process of observing others, through clear instruction or interaction, through trial and error, and so on. Either interpersonal competence will be obtained if the individual as an improves his knowledge of interpersonal communication. This better interpersonal competence will cause the individual to get more choice the interaction, so it is likely to produce effective interpersonal